My hair wasn't always this healthy. One thing I've learned is to be very intentional with your wash day. That means making sure you deep condition or do some kind of hair treatment. I always make sure to steam, and I always focus on my scalp and make sure it's really clean. So today I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine. So let's hop into it. Alright, so today is wash day, and as you can see, my hair is in dire need of a good reset. I like to wash my hair every other week, but it really depends on how much product buildup I have. Sometimes I may wash it every week. And guys, I was sent this PR package by Pantene, and this is their new Abundant and Strong collection by Alex Earl, and I'm really excited to give these products a try. And I figure it's wash day, so I have a shampoo and conditioner, so why not get into it, you know? So first, I'm just going to make sure my hair is fully saturated in water. I always like to give my hair a really good rinse before I go in with any product. So first I'm going to take the Pantene Abundant and Strong shampoo, and this is made with Pro Vitamin Complex and niacinamide to basically help strengthen your roots. And I'm just going to go ahead and lather that in really good into my scalp. And I like to give my scalp a really good massage, and that's just going to help lift up any oil, edge control, or any product that may be on my scalp and on my hairline. And I'm also adding water to the shampoo as I go. That's just going to thin out the shampoo and help create a better lather. And I'm just using my hands to rake that shampoo down the lengths of my hair. And guys, when I tell you, using a scalp massager has been a game changer for my hair care routine. It's probably the best thing I've added to my hair care routine in a long time. It helps with cleaning your scalp, which helps with hair growth, and that's very important when it comes to a healthy hair journey. And plus, it promotes blood circulation to the scalp, which also helps with hair growth. So a scalp massager, add it to your routine, okay? Now I'm going to go in with the Pantene Abundant and Strong Breakage Defense Conditioner. And this is also made with Pro Vitamin Complex and antioxidants. And guys, when I tell you this stuff, it literally looks just like ice cream, but it smells just like peach ice cream. It smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into 4 sections. I always section my hair, guys. This just makes your process so much easier. Yeah, this stuff smells amazing. But anyway, and it makes it easier for distributing all that product and making sure your hair is fully coated. So I'm going to just go ahead and let that sit for about 10 minutes and go ahead and rinse it out. And keep in mind, guys, finding a routine that works best for you and your hair is what's going to help you with your healthy hair journey and help you with length retention also. If you've been here since day one, you know that my hair has came a long way. I switch up products from time to time, but my routine typically stays the same. And every wash day routine includes some kind of deep conditioning or hair treatment. And today's treatment of choice is my flaxseed gel. I'm just taking some flaxseed gel that I previously made, and I'm just transferring that into an applicator bottle. And I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 sections and apply that flaxseed gel all throughout the lengths and ends of my hair. And I also like to put it on my scalp too. I have many videos on how I make and how I use flaxseed gel, and I'll go ahead and tag one of those videos onto this video so you guys can give that a watch if you haven't already. And I'm always applying my flaxseed gel when I feel like my hair needs just that extra TLC. My hair was feeling a little dry and it just felt a little weak and brittle. So flaxseed gel just always does the trick every single time. So as I'm completing each section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up and then add the remainder of that gel onto my scalp, because this is really good for scalp health, guys. And one non-negotiable step that I've added to my hair care routine is steaming. Steaming with a deep conditioner or some kind of hair mask or hair treatment has literally changed the health of my hair so much I would never go back. So now that flaxseed gel is rinsed out my hair, I decided to go with a cute side part, and my hair felt really soft, but now it's time to take care of my scalp. I'm going in with the Pantene Abundant and Strong Daily Scalp and Root Serum, and this serum smelled really good. All of these Pantene products smell really amazing. And I'm just applying that serum all throughout my scalp, and I'm going to go ahead and give my scalp a good rub. And guys, this serum is like very tingly because it's made with menthol, but I really like it. So now I'm just damping my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the PUREMAJIK Naturals Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend. And guys, this oil has been like my staple hair oil. I use this for all my hot oil treatments, and it's very lightweight to use every day, and I just love it. Now I'm going to go in with the Ashley Marie Collection Styling Mousse, which also works as a curl defining mousse, and it has frizz control. Guys, I really love this mousse so much. I'm actually running low. I need to get a new bottle, but I've been really loving mousse lately as a curl defining product, I guess you could say, rather than like a curl defining cream or a gel. I tend to use curl defining creams and gels on like day 5 or day 6 after my wash day, when my hair has a lot more volume. But on my first wash day, like the very first day when I'm styling, I want to use more so lightweight products, because products can definitely weigh your hair down. And one thing we don't want is weighed down flat hair. We want our hair to have volume and be fluffy and big. And then on top of that, the longer my hair gets, the more flat it starts to look. So I really want to focus on using lightweight products. Now for my edges, I'm going to go in with the PUREMAJIK Naturals Repairing Edge Control. And guys, when I tell you the hold on this edge control is insane, like I literally just put my finger in it and literally like bounced my hand up and down, and this edge control didn't go anywhere. And I also love that it's not just for styling, it's also a repairing edge control. It's made with biotin, and it has thickened my edges so much. Like every time I do my edges, I feel like they're getting thicker and thicker. But my hair is pretty much styled. Now we're just going to go ahead and diffuse. I usually air dry, guys, but today I decided to grab the diffuser because I had to go outside and it was raining and a little cool. And I don't got time to get sick, y'all. So I decided, why not go ahead and diffuse? The reason I'm not a fan of diffusing is because, in my opinion, a lot of people may disagree, but I feel like it actually creates more frizz. When I air dry, my hair never frizzes up. When I use my diffuser, even if I put it on the lowest setting, it still seems to get a little frizzier, but it's okay because I like a little volume and a little frizz. But I am just so in love with how this wash and go came out, and if you love it too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know some tips or tricks, or give me some product recommendations. I would love to try it out, but stay tuned for my next upload because I definitely have more coming. Mwah.